Hello viewers, today I will show you how to make a PDF fillable form. First, click Edit, then Prepare a Form and Create Form. Wherever you want to make fillable, first delete the text or objects from there. Then click Text field for making fillable text in the form. You can add a field name by double-clicking on the field. Also, you can customize font size, font color, font style, alignment from here. Here you can check your fillable text form by clicking the Preview option. You can type anything as your needs inside the fields. Also, you can customize the field's size too as you need. You have to delete the image for making any image fillable. Click on the Image field. A rectangular field will move with your mouse cursor. Place it on the right place and press the left button. You can customize the Image field also. From the Preview option, you can select any picture from your device to fill the field. This is a very easy process to make any PDF document to fillable PDF form. I'm showing you some major steps. You can make any PDF document to a fillable PDF form like this. If you feel tough, you can visit our website 2nerd.com for help. Here we sell many kinds of fillable PDF forms like invoices, CV, cover letter, letterheads, and other documents. If you don't like any of these, you can order us a custom design. We can make a custom design as your needs. Thank you for watching.